supak ang mga tao sa inyong dili maayo nga pag dumala sa budget. Huwayan yung gihapon ninyo panusod ng mga pangingana.
Things behind. There were no more enemy to kill. Not already peacetime. We do not have to carry it back to the lowland. Already peacetime. Who wanted to kill? Just like what they have done in Afghanistan. When they were ordered to withdraw, and then a lot of vehicles, a lot of helicopters, a lot of airplanes. And now the Taliban is using it against them. And now they are attacking Venezuela.
I know.
They want the oil in Venezuela. That is the Pearl Harbor. And the American public asked why the Navy was found napping. They were still asleep. Because for the armed forces of the United States and shot several Japanese airplanes still with their hangover. They still had their hangover. The bullets used during the war. The field manuals, FM does not stand for Ferdinand Marcos, it stands for field manual. Because when you recruit soldiers to be, they do not know how to fight. You have to teach them, educate them, train them before you send them to war. Because it is often said, the Japanese in the Imperial Palace had a silver house and a gold house. And the Chinese tourists who went to Japan always think that Japan is very rich. They're making their buildings with gold and silver. And that is the preserved cherry blossom, the sakura in Japan. It only blooms in December, and it will only take 15 days before the bloom withers away, so they're preserving it. And I have antique Coca-Cola bottles. Antique is 100 years and old. Vintage is 20 years up to 99 years. And this is the oldest bottle I have. Look at the date. 1915, November, and we made it into a syrup mixed with plain water. So it is served with plain water. It was not yet bottled. But a customer was I started picking up the things since I was a pet. You can record it if you like. It starts with this. With care. Heritage and legacy will remain among the years. Or maybe more.
Gusto, di makagaan na kwarta?